Hello traders and investors. How do you trade in Bank Nifty? Does the premium of your bought options decay till the time you hold them and shoots up quickly only after you exit? Or in other case, the sold option rises in no time and gives you big losses. And if you apply a stop loss, then it hits the stop loss and goes in your direction. Why don't you do both of them simultaneously? Welcome once again. My name is Vijay Dutt. I have been in trading since last 5 years. In the initial phase, I made some losses. Then I joined some workshops, webinars, etc. from some famous option writers in India and technical analysts in Singapore. My aim through this channel is to transfer my knowledge to you all, that too free of cost. The strategy which I am going to discuss today will change your trading style. You will start feeling like FIIs or DIIs who actually move the markets. And you will always use this strategy every Wednesday and Thursday. That is my promise to you. So let's come to the strategy. When to take the trade? Suppose it's a Wednesday and market is in a certain range. The range is like 21,200 to 21,300 or 21,700 to 21,800 and or we can say 22,200 to 22,300 or 22,700 to 22,800 or 23,200 to 23,300 or 23,700 to 23,800 and so on. You can see what is common in these numbers. Either they are between 200 to 300 or 700 to 800. For example, on Wednesday, 2nd of September 2020, when the market was at 23,750, I took the trade which is as follows. I sold 23,900 call and 23,600 put of current expiry, that is 3rd of September 2020, and simultaneously I bought 24,000 call and 23,500 put of next week expiry, that is 10th of September 2020. As you can see in the above picture, you can pause the video to understand it again and match the trade. So what is the result? It gave me 110 points profit in same day. I generally exit with 70 to 80 points only, but because the market was well inside the range even after 3 pm, so I decided to stay in the trade and booked a total profit of 150 points next morning at around 10 am. So you can see in just 24 hours I gained 150 points. What if I stayed in the trade till 3 pm? You can watch it yourself in the picture, almost 170 points. The put of current expiry which you are seeing in this was at 6 rupees at 3 pm. Many of you must be thinking that you could sell only call and put of current expiry simultaneously. But just see the movement of market in these 2 days. It has moved sharply between 23,500 to 24,000, 6 times in just 2 days. These sharp movements keeps you breathless during the trade. So we have taken care of these sharp moves by buying calls and puts of next week, which are definitely not going to be zero in just 2 days. It is always profitable if market moves in the range which is 23,500 to 24,000 for this particular trade. Well, if the market breaks 23,500 downwards or 24,000 upwards decisively, then you can exit or make adjustments. I make adjustments which I will share in next video with live example. So what did you understand with the result? I know many of you are thinking that it has happened on 2nd and 3rd September. Let's see another trade, that is on 9th September, which is today. I took the trade at around 10:30 am. Same trade. Market was between 22,200 to 22,300. So I hope you remember what I am supposed to do. I bought 22,000 put and 22,500 call, both of 17th September expiry. Along with I sold 22,100 put and 22,400 call, both of 10th September expiry. You can see the result. I have recorded the video of live trade. It is showing a gain of 40 points in just 1 hour. I did not place any stop loss. I had to exit simultaneously if the market would move below 22,000 or above 22,500. By the end of the day, the profit became more than 35,000. As per rule, I should have holded it till tomorrow morning because the market closed well inside range. But I exited because a big news is due tomorrow regarding loan moratorium. I hope you have understood the trade till now. Let me share with you some more examples. Before sharing more examples, we need to remember few things regarding the trade. Please note the following points. Number 1. The call and the put which you are selling should have their LTPs at least 40% of the LTPs of the bought call and puts. More is the percentage, more is your gain. Number 2. It may show temporary loss even when the market is within your range of the trade. Don't worry, it will become green as you have seen in my live video. Number 3. If you get 50 plus points on Wednesday, you should come in exit mode. But don't exit. See the market. If it is in the middle of the range, you still have chances to make more money. Number 4. Most important point. Exit all 4 legs simultaneously. Thank you. The pictures which you are seeing above are examples of same trade taken on different Wednesdays and Thursdays since March 2020 onwards. Even in that period when people were scared of entering market due to high volatility, in fact, it gave me more profit during Corona crisis. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe and share with your friends. I will share the adjustments to this strategy and another trade for rest of the weekdays with such a fantastic results only after 11,000 subscribers. Till then, keep making profit on expiry with confidence. I will also keep sharing my profits by same strategy on every Wednesday or Thursday evening. Thank you.